Welcome to the Release Manager role overview. A release manager is responsible for coordinating software releases and managing the entire deployment process. This includes planning release schedules, coordinating with different teams, managing risks, and ensuring that software updates reach production smoothly and safely. Release managers have four primary responsibilities. First is planning and scheduling, where they define release timelines, coordinate with teams, and allocate resources. Second is risk management, where they identify potential issues, create strategies to prevent problems, and handle rollbacks if something goes wrong. Third is coordination, bringing together developers, quality assurance teams, and operations to align on what needs to be released. Finally, documentation involves tracking all changes, maintaining detailed release notes, and communicating status updates to stakeholders. The release process follows four main phases. Phase 1 is planning, where features are defined, timelines are set, and resources are allocated. Phase 2 is development, where the release manager tracks progress, manages dependencies between different components, and coordinates builds. Phase 3 is testing and quality assurance, where the software is validated for functionality, security vulnerabilities, and performance issues. Phase 4 is deployment, where the release is executed, systems are monitored closely, and rollback procedures are ready if needed. Successful release managers need multiple skill sets. Process management skills are essential to define, document, and enforce release procedures that everyone follows. Communication skills help coordinate with different teams and keep stakeholders informed. Technical knowledge of CI/CD pipelines, deployment tools, and infrastructure is critical to understand what can and cannot be done. Data analysis helps track metrics and identify bottlenecks in the release process. Risk assessment ability allows identifying potential problems before they happen. Finally, quality assurance mindset ensures the software is ready before it reaches production. There are two main types of releases. Major releases introduce new features and significant changes to the product. These involve higher risk because more code is changing, require extensive testing, and need longer planning periods with comprehensive coordination. Minor releases focus on bug fixes and small improvements. These have lower risk, can be deployed faster, happen more frequently, and require shorter planning windows since fewer components are affected. Release managers use specific tools to perform their job effectively. For deployment tools, Jenkins is used for CI/CD automation and pipeline orchestration. GitLab CI/CD integrates version control with deployment capabilities. Kubernetes handles container orchestration for production releases. For release management, Jira and Confluence help track issues and maintain documentation. Git is the standard for version control and implementing branching strategies. Slack facilitates team communication and automated notifications about release status. Several risks can impact a release. Undiscovered bugs may surface in production after deployment, causing user-facing issues. Schedule delays happen when development or testing takes longer than planned. Dependency issues occur when third-party services or libraries fail unexpectedly. Performance degradation can make systems slow or unstable under user load. Security vulnerabilities might be introduced if code is not properly reviewed and tested. Communication breakdown between teams leads to misalignment on requirements and expectations. To manage these risks, release managers implement four key strategies. First, automated testing means implementing comprehensive unit tests, integration tests, and end-to-end tests before any release happens. Second, staged rollout involves deploying to a limited group of users first, monitoring the results, then gradually expanding to all users. Third, a rollback plan documents exactly how to quickly revert to the previous version if critical issues occur. Fourth, monitoring and alerts set up real-time monitoring systems to immediately detect problems after deployment, so they can be addressed quickly. Release managers should follow 6 best practices. Plan early by starting release planning weeks in advance and communicating timelines clearly to avoid surprises. Document everything, including detailed release notes, change logs, and deployment runbooks that others can follow. Maintain frequent communication, sending regular status updates to all stakeholders about progress and any blockers. Use a pre-release checklist to verify all components are ready before authorizing deployment. Conduct post-release review after each release to identify what went well and what can improve. Define clear success metrics before execution so everyone knows what a successful release looks like. Release managers create significant value for organizations. From a business value perspective, they ensure timely delivery of features, maintain product quality, and reduce the time it takes to get features to market. For risk reduction, they minimize downtime by preventing critical bugs in production and enable quick recovery when issues occur. They improve team coordination by aligning multiple teams, eliminating confusion, and providing clear accountability for each component. Overall, release manager success depends on 3 pillars: thorough planning, consistent communication with all stakeholders, and excellent execution during the deployment process.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.